Nollywood actress Wumi recently shared a heartfelt moment on social media, expressing her concerns about her son's impressive dancing skills. The movie star posted a video of herself dancing, but her son playfully interrupted to showcase his own moves. In a light-hearted but emotional moment, Wumi Toriola lamented that she has given birth to a child who surpasses her in dancing abilities. She ended her post with a prayer, seeking God's blessings and protection for her child as well as for the children of her fans and followers, wishing them all good health and longevity. This touching moment showcases the loving bond between a mother and her child, as Wumi Toriola cherishes the joy and talent her son brings into her life.